Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm a Jeff and Pastan channel, Garden channel. Today we can cut a jelly.
I'm going to help mommy
Cut a jelly.
cut the jelly for Buko Pandan.
And me.
Wait, this, I will give it to you.
Ooh. And cut.
Like this. Look. Ta-da! Sorry. Cut like this into cubes.
Cubes. Cubes.
You need to cut it just like that.
Cubes.
And then,
Small pieces.
yes, this one you will cut it into two. And then, cut it like this. Cut. Cut it.
Cube.
And then, oh, like that. Cut like that. Mommy will give you a flat.
Flat.
Here, chopping board.
Chopping. Chop. Chop.
Then we will put everything here, okay? After the cut here, okay? No, not like that. Like this. Small, carefully. Like that. Okay? Small lang. Oh, up. This one, you need to cut it into two.
One.
And then, just cut them all into two.
Two.
Wait lang.
Two.
And then, cut it into cubes.
Cubes. I'll eat a cube.
Okay.
Mmm. Jelly. Like Rogi. My cube. My cube. My cube.
Is it yummy? Yummy?
Chop it faster.
No. Like that. Slowly. Tinikman niya na eh. May sugar ito eh.
Nail.
Done!
Put it on the plate.
Okay, one more to show them how you cut it.
Like this.
Like this. Go. The last one.
Squares.
Cubes. Wow, may design yan sa'yo.
Cubes.
Small. This one is big. Cut it into two. This one, cut this into two. Cut more. Half. Yay.
The other one. But it's done.
It's done, yes. More.
Wow, they're like fish.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Oink.
They're done.
Oh, they're not. What are you making?
Cubes. The small pieces like sweet shop. 2, 1. Nay, just a many. Done. 1, 2,
Can you taste it?
3,
What's the taste? Is it yummy?
4, 5, 6, 7. Put more here. But look at the big one.
Mm-hmm.
I'll cut it.
No, I got this. Oh, you say bye-bye now.
Bye-bye.
Here. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click ring ring.
Bye!
Bye. Hi, Nene.
Say again.
Hi, guys. Welcome to my channel. I'm a Japan Hapsan channel, garden channel. Today we will have chef, but I have a sneeze. And I said, achoo!
Don't do that. Okay. So here,
And we can cook.
we will put you are making buko
Buko
pandan.
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 Then we will put
We will put the
wait, expose.
pose. Hi guys, welcome to my
Ulit-ulit.
channel.
Put it na. Dali.
Hi guys,
Okay,
welcome to my channel. I'm Angela from Hapsan Channel Garden
What is this?
Channel. It's a jelly from Rogi, like my tablet. Today we chop it already and we can put cream. But
Then
look
we
at
will
this
put
good buko.
no, this is not buko. This is sago.
Sago.
It's tapioca. Sago. Oh, we put half more first. Half. Then we will put the buko meat.
Buko meat.
Buko meat.
Buko meat.
Wait, we will check first if we need to put all the buko. For sure daddy don't like buko. There.
There. I have
Mix
a
it. And we will put the cream.
cream. Ices.
Binili. Here.
Cream.
Put the cream.
Cream.
You have to wait for the instruction.
Extraction. Extraction. Instruction. Wait.
Mix it. Mix it. Careful. Mix it. This.
We can stir.
Careful.
We're stirring and melting.
Here.
We can stir and melt until smooth.
It's interesting. Look at the buko.
What?
Now we will put the evaporating condensed milk. Ay, what kind of condensed? Now you squish it. Squish.
Squish. Squish. Squish.
Careful.
Squish. 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 Squish.
Squish it.
Squish. Today we are squishing. Squish. 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 I have to mix it now.
Careful.
Squish and I'll mix.
Okay. Another cream.
Another cream, the last one. We can pour cream.
Slowly. Huwag pa nga bilis na.
Isa na.
Get that one. Mommy will get this.
Mommy.
Artie, just cream. Taste it.
Ah!
It's yummy.
It's yummy.
Oh no! Sunk!
Wait. One more.
Mommy, why did it sunk?
Ah,
It's sunken. It said.
nitawan mo eh. Careful. You hold your like this. There.
Ano nakalagay yung bowl na malaki? Yung gawaan ng salad.
Oops, sorry. Mommy, I will try one. Yours.
Oh. No, you hold it like this.
Ito lang pa yung daddy niya.
That's that one.
Saan ko sa national?
Ah! Oh.
Oh, see, I told you.
Nakapin ba ano?
It's sunk now. You're sunk now.
It's dirty na.
We have to get
Put all
another
the buko na.
buko
Mm.
because my daddy don't like it. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Jennifer Hobson channel, Garden channel. Today we have this buko flavor.
Buko Pandan.
Buko Pandan.
And
We can remove this.
you can taste it.
We can.
Uh.
But what's there?
It's the leaves. Dali.
Why you get the leaves here?
It's garnish. Oh, taste na. Diba you help mommy make that? So
Yes.
daddy can taste it. Dali. Oh, daddy,
Daddy.
taste it.
You taste it first.
You don't like to taste
Then
it.
I look.
Wow!
It's buko.
Dugo mo.
This.
Oh, naku ah.
This buko.
Wow! Can I have it?
Electric fan.
Can I have it?
Aray, Diyos ka ba?
Taste mo na, taste.
But you have to share it with me.
Yeah,
na yung ano.
sharing it with you. Taste mo na.
Yung rogi mo. Eat your rogi na.
Ah, ano siya sa dahon.
It's a design.
Go.
It's a
Eat na.
design.
It's a leaf.
Yes, it's pandan leaves.
Okay.
It's
Can I have it?
Nanay
Okay.
can taste it. Nanay can taste it na.
Okay, we say goodbye to everyone.
I can taste it.
Bye!
Bye.
did not taste it.
Because only one saluyot.
She liked it, mommy. She ate it when I gave her. Rogi.
I'm already done.
Um.
Yummy! I say bye-bye.